Hello, everybody. How are you? This is my holiday open studio. Just thought I'd give you my little perusing. A couple of new ones and some old friends. That's a new one. That one's called Souvenir. We've got our big show up, and so a bunch of the big art is over there of mine. There's a giclée print of Broadway, and here are, have you heard about the little ones? They're in the little calendar. These are the paintings. I'm going to put them online very, very soon. Maybe even this weekend in my downtime here. It's been pretty quiet. So this is the main room. Let's see what's in here. I'm not sure there's much of interest in here that's new. Some beautiful persimmons my neighbor gave me. There's Noci. Have you seen this painting up close? It's kind of dark here with the lighting, but it's walnuts in the husk. Isn't that cool? And oh, this is an oldie. This one's called Roses for Annie, when I was still doing names that are long like that. It's a print of it. The original is a long time ago. I borrowed some art back from my mom. She had some of my pieces. And these are some little reproductions, some small reproductions. Okay, gotta zoom in here. This is the store. Oh, we have a few mugs on hand. If you are online and you really want a mug, call me or email me and we'll figure it out. I don't have them available for purchase online because I'm just not. There's another piece of my mom's. That's Gala, and a reproduction. And the two sweets that are still here. And an old friend, Midsummer's Inn. And this is Dazzling, which came back to me about a year ago, original. This is the first of two originals that note cards have come back to me because their owners have passed on or are soon to. This is the Blue Door, and this was the inspiration for the mini calendar this year. This is the original painting, trying to get away from the glare of the lights. I had it reframed. It sold in 2007, and here it is, a reproduction of Starshine. And this is Napa, and a reproduction of Kindred. So we've got the grape leaves on either side are the succulents, and then this is kind of a leafy section here. This is called Returning. So anyway, oh, some in progress stuff. So this is what it is. Open Studios. Well, not open. It's my open studio. It's a holiday open studio. Oh, Beckoning. I didn't tell you about this one. It's been accepted in the California Watercolor Association show, and that's a big deal. So it'll be going off to a show in Benicia at the beginning of the year. All right. For those of you who can't visit, there's your little visit. Oh, there's a little one. Little one there. Did I do this one? Fire, cozy. I did. Okay. I'm repeating myself. Here's all the calendars. You can order these online. My portfolios, if you do come. Here it is. All right. Thanks, everybody. Bye.